So, good day, sir. I'm Cedric Aquino from BIS IT 3A. So, today, may gagawin na another course output, which is static routing configuration. So, I have to create a video recording that will demonstrate how do I lay out the given network diagram and how do I configure the network diagram by using static routing configuration. So, ito siya. So, ang una natin gagawin is open tong Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, wait lang natin. Hmm, hmm, hmm. So, ayan na. So, ang natin gagawin is i-layout to muna. So, we have natin ng routers. Ang gagawin natin router is itong 1841. So, may tatlo tayong router. Pangalan to ng R1, R2, then router 3. Okay? Now, para sa PC naman, natin ng PC. Then, pangalan natin ng 1. Palitan natin ng 1. Okay? So, PC1 dun, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Ayan. Ngayon, i-connect na natin siya using crossover kasi crossover yung ginamit dito. So, ito sa router 1, yung PC2 is fast Ethernet 0. Okay, so, fast Ethernet 0. And ito is fast Ethernet 1. So, kung nagtataka kayo bakit may label agad, gagawin nyo lang, sa options, sa taas, options, preferences, and check nyo tong always show port labels. Okay? Now, balik tayo. Sa router 2, fast Ethernet 0 yung PC1. And itong PC4 is fast Ethernet 1. And dito sa router 3, fast Ethernet 0 yung PC6. Then, fast Ethernet 1 to, yan. Yan. So, may connections na. Ngayon, ang lalagyan din naman natin ng connection is yung mga router. Pero bago mo gawin yun, kailangan mo muna, click yan, maglagay ka ng modules, i-off mo muna, then, itong WIC2T, i-drag nyo doon, dito. Then, power on. Okay? Ganon din sa ibang, power off, drag din power on. Kasi, pag hindi mo ginawa yan, maglalagay na tayo ng connection. So, dito, di ba, nalagay na tayo ng module. Yan. So, pag dito na sa router 3, which is wala pang module, is wala siyang paglalagyan. Wala siyang pagkukunikan. Wala siyang serial port. Okay? So, ayan. So, meron na tayo dito. Pwede natin yan. Dito. Off muna. Drag tong WIC 2T, then power on. Now, pwede na natin lagyan ng connection. So, pag DCE dito, take note, pag DCE is may clock icon. Itong walang clock icon, DTE siya. So, itong may clock icon. Saan siya nanggaling? Sa router 2 to router 1. Okay? So, router 2, serial port 0 to serial port 0 sa router 1. Okay? Then, ayun o, nakikita nyo may clock icon siya din. Ayan, may clock icon siya, which means DTE siya. Okay? So, dyan naman tayo sa router 2 to router 3. DC is from the router 3, serial port 0 to serial port 1. Then, DCE from router 1, serial port 1 to serial port 1. Okay? Now, ang next na gagawin is, i-config natin yung IP address. Kailangan natin tong ginawang VLSM table. Okay? Dun sa last course output na, ito ba yan? Itong subnetting of networks. So, kailangan natin yan. So, ngayon punta kayo dito sa addressing scheme. Then, dito sa PC1, desktop, IP configuration. Then, kukunin nyo dito yung IP address, yung subnet mask and default gateway. So, copy-paste ko na lang to para mabilis. So, yung IP address ng PC1 is 192.168.7.254. Paste. Then, IP address ay subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0. Then, yung default gateway niya is 192.168.4.1. So, okay na yan. Proceed naman tayo sa PC2. Okay? So, 192.168.9.254. Subnet mask is 255.255.254.0. Then, default gateway niya is 192.168.8.1. Okay? PC3 naman, 192.168.11.190. Then, subnet mask ay 255.255.255.192. Then, default gateway niya is 192.168.11.129. Okay na yan. So, proceed na tayo sa PC4. Desktop, configuration. Then, PC4 192.168.10.254. 255.255.255.0. So, proceed na lang tayo dito sa default gateway, which is 192.168.10.1. So, okay na yan. PC5, 192.168.11.126. Then, subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.128. Then, default gateway niya is 192.168.11.1. So, lastly is tong PC6. So, 192.168.3.254. Subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. 2.0. Then, default gateway is 192.168.0.1. Now, tapos na tayo sa IP configuration ng lahat ng PC. Ngayon is maglalagay tayo ng basic configuration sa routers. Lalagyan natin siya ng security para hindi kahit sino is magalaw yung CLI. Okay, so ito yung CLI ng router 1. Then type natin dyan no. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Then enter, enable, tapos confirm it. Itong conf term is shortcut siya ng configure terminal. Okay, enter. I-rename natin yung hostname into SIR1, router 1. Ayan, makapansin nyo napalitan ng R1 dito. The next is enable secret class. Then, no IP domain look. Enter. Then, banner MOTD hashtag unauthorized unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. So, ayan. Yan yung magpapakitang message pag may ah, nag-try na i-access tong CLI natin sa router 1. So, need niya mag-login. Console 0. Then, maglalagay na tayo ng password. Kino. Then, login. Then, line VTY 04. Then, password ulit. Aquino. Then, login. Okay na. So, try natin. Exit, exit, exit. So, yan yung unang mapapakita pag trinay niyang buksan yung CLI. So, pag in-enter niya yan, ayan, so unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Kaya natin ilagay yung password na nilagay kanina. Ayan, yung unang password. Nalagay dito is class. Ayan. So, as yung mapapansin nyo, walang nag-type dito sa may password. Kasi, naka-secret siya. Enable secret. Okay. So, balik na tayo sa configure terminal. So, unang gagawin is i-configure natin sa switch, sa router 1, yung mga yung IP address at subnet mask ng mga PC na nakakonect doon. So, paano yan? Interface. Then yung connection. Fast Ethernet 0 to 0. Fast Ethernet 0. Enter. IP address. Then, kukunin natin yung dito ulit tayo sa addressing scheme sa router 1. Kunin natin to. 192.168.1. 192.168.8.1. Then yung subnet mask. Space 255.255.254.0. 4.0. Then enter. Balik tayo dito. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo is red pa lang yan, which is yung connection is down pa lang. Gagawin mo dyan is no shutdown. Enter. So, makikita mo dyan is up na yung connection niya. Green na. Now, sa Fast Ethernet 1 naman tayo. Interface. FA01 IP address. And kukunin mo na naman yung IP address dito. 192.168.11.1. So, 192.168.11.1 space, yung subnet mask, 255.255.255.128. 255.255.255.128. Tama ba? Okay? Enter. On ulit. No shutdown. So, ayan. Up na yung connection. Now, sa ano naman tayo? Sa serial port. Interface. SE 0.0.0. Enter. IP address. Tingnan natin yung 192.168.11.194. 192.168.11.194. Ang subnet mask. 255.255.255.252. 255.255.255.252. So, enter. Check natin kung DCE ba siya or SE. Ay, DTE. DCE or DTE. Yung SE000. So, DTE siya. So, yung ano, shutdown na lang natin. Shutdown. Enter. Then, interface. SE 0.0.1 ay 0/0/0/1. Enter. IP address. Check natin dito yung router. 1 192.168.11.201. 192.168.11.201. 201. And 255.255.255.252. Enter. So, itong serial port 1 ng router 1 is DCE. Pag DCE yan, ang gagawin mo dito is talagyan mo siya ng clock rate. Lang natin siyang 9600. Enter. Then, no shutdown. No? Tapos na tayo sa paglagay ng IP address. Next naman is IP route naman tayo. Para saan yun? Kasi, kapag magsasend ng packet, kailangan mo na malaman kung saan yung route niya. Kunwari, itong PC2 magsasend ng packet sa PC4. So, ang route niya is PC2 to dito sa router. Then router 1 to router 2. Then router 2 to PC4. So, yung route niya. So, kailangan natin i-configure yun. So, IP route. Ang kukunin natin is mga route nitong sa router 2, yung dalawang PC dyan, and router 3, yung dalawang PC. And yung exit port nila. Exit port sa router. Okay? So, IP route. Dito muna tayo sa router 2, PC1. Yan natin yung topology. Sa PC1 is 765 host. So, 765 host, kunin natin tong network address. So, lalagay natin dyan 192.168.168.4.0 space yung subnet mask niya, which is /22. Tingnan na lang natin dito, PC1. Wala tayo sa addressing scheme. PC1 is 255.255.252.0. 255.255.252.0. Then, yung exit route niya. Exit port. Ayan pala. So, ang gagamitin nating exit port sa router 2 is, wait lang. So, gagamitin nating exit port is yung serial port 0. So, tingnan natin yung serial port 0 ng router 2. So, serial port 0 ng router 2 is 192.168.11.193. 192.168.11. Mali. 192.168.11.193. Then, enter. Next naman is yung isa pang PC dito, yung 150 host. So, let's go sa IP route. Then, tingnan natin yung 150 host. 192.168.10.0. 192.168.10.0. Okay? Then, subnet mask ng PC4 is 255.255.255.0. 255.255.0. Then, same pa rin yung exit port niya. Exit, ah, tama, exit port. So, 192.168.11.193. Ayan. Then, enter. Next naman is yung dito sa router 3. So, kunin natin yung, wait, sa 50 host, PC3. So, host 50, IP route, host 50, 192.168. Saan ako? 11.128. Then, yung host niya, yung host ng PC3, ay yung host, yung CDAR, ay yung subnet mask. 192.168.11.128. Subnet mask ng PC3 is 255.255.255.192. 255.255.255.192. Then, yung kukunin nating exit port is yung serial port 1 ng router 3. Okay? Serial port 1 ng router 3. Ito. So, 192.168.11.201. Okay. Then enter. Router 3. Mali. 202 pala. 202. Enter. Okay. Then, proceed naman tayo dito sa PC6, yung 900 host. Kukunin natin itong IP address. IP route pala. Route 192.168.0.0. Then, subnet mask ng PC6. 6. 255.255.252.0. 255.255.252.0. Then, yung exit port, which is yung 192.168.11.202. Then, and 192.168.11.202. Enter, then, kailangan natin kunin yung default gateway. So, IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0. So, default IP address, default subnet mask, then space ah, yung exit route ng router 2. Dito. So, 192.168.11.193. Enter. Run ulit. Route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0.0 space yung exit route naman ng exit port naman ng router 3. Okay, so 192.168.11.202. Enter. So, tapos na tayo dito sa router 1. Na-configure na natin yung, ay na, lagyan natin ng basic configuration, lagyan natin ng password, ah, yung interface, na-configure na din natin, and yung IP address, na-configure na din natin, and yung IP route. Then, gagawin din natin yan sa lahat ng router. So, tapos na tayo sa router 1. Now, wait, check ko lang. Shutdown to. Shutdown, okay. Ano tayo sa router 2? So, CLI, no, and enable, confirm, then hostname R2. Yeah. Then, no, ay, enable, gayahin na lang natin yung ginawa natin sa router 1. So, ayan. So, hostname, enable, secret, plus, no, IP, domain, lookup, enter, then, banner, MOTD, unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Yeah. Then, line console 0, then password is Aquino, then login, line PTY 04, then password is Aquino ulit, then login, and exit. So, exit na. So, try ulit natin. Exit natin to. So, Aquino, enable. So, maghanap ulit siya ng password, class. So, pwede na siya i-configure terminal. Pwede na. So, nalagyan natin siya ng password, basic configuration, then, configure na natin yung interface. So, exit muna natin yan. So, interface, yung guys ng router 2, FA00, FA, Fast Ethernet, 0, enter, IP, address. Gawin natin yung net. So, ayan. So, gawin natin yung router 2. Ito, 192.168.4.1. Ay, So, 192.168.4.1. Then, enter. Di ko nalagay yung subnet mask. Yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0. 255.255.252.0. Enter. Then, no shutdown. Enter. Then, interface A01. Then, yan? IP address. Address. 192.168.10.1. Address 192.68.10.1 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. Then no shutdown. Now sa naman sa serial port interface is a serial port 0. Enter. Interface. Exit muna natin. Wait. Check ko. Balik tayo dito sa router 1. Interface. So, exit na natin yan. Balik tayo dito. May mali tayo siguro. Interface. Interface. Let's see. 000. Ano ba? So, nag-no-shutdown tayo dyan. Interface. SE 0/0/0. Ayan. Ano mali ko dun? Hindi, ayaw mo na. So, IP address. Address is, ulit natin dito. 192.168.11.193. 192.168.11.193. Yan. Router 2. Okay. 193. 192.168.11.193. Okay. Then, subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. Enter. And no shutdown. Okay. So, as you can see, green na yung connection nila. Naka-up na yung connection ng PC to router 2 and also router 1 to router 2. Now, sa interface, serial port 1, 1. Enter. IP address 192.168.11.198.168.11.198 space 255.255.255.252. Enter. So, tapos na tayo sa configure ah, yung mga IP address. Now, gaya ng ginawa ko kanina sa router 1, tingnan ko muna pala kung ano. Wait lang, may mali lang ako. So, dito pala sa router 2, yung serial port 0 is DCE. So, shutdown muna natin to. Shutdown. So, DTE itong serial port 1. So, shutdown na agad natin. Enter. So, balik natin yung ayan, ito by 0. Then, iyan na natin. Clock rate 9600. Enter. Then, no shutdown. Okay. Zero, 1, and 2, 168, 2, 2. Okay. So, okay na tayo dyan. Now, is, tapos na tayo maglagay ng IP address. Then, let's go to, ano naman, IP route. Kaya ang ginawa ko dito. Let's go to IP route na ngayon. Exit natin to. IP route. Ang una natin kukunin sa router 2 tayo is dito sa router 1. So, tingnan natin to ng router, 350 host. 192.168.8.0. 192.168.8.0. Then, yung subnet mask niya ng PC2. 255.255.255.254.0. 255.254.0. Then, yung gagamitin nating exit port para sa router 2 is, sa router 1 is, yung ay serial port 0 ng router 1. So, ito. So, 192.168.11.194. 94. 192.168.11.194. Okay. So, IP route sa 125 host naman. 192.168.11.0. 192.168.11.0 space. Ano yan? 125 host. 125 host. PC5. PC5 is 255.255.255.128. 255.255.255.128. Then yung exit port. 192.168.11.4. Okay, sa router 3 naman tayo. IP route. Sa router 3, meron tayong 50 host na PC3. 50 host, 192.168.11.128, 192.168.11.128. Okay, then PC3, 255, 255, 255, 192. 255.255.255.192. Then, yung kukunin nating exit port is serial port 1 ng router 3. Serial port 1 ng router 3, ito, 192.168.11.202, 168.11.202. Enter. And IP route. Itong PC6900 host. 192.168.8.0. Ay, .0.0 pala. Okay, space. PC6. 255, 255, 252, 250. 255.255.252, 250. Ay, 252.0. 0. Yan. Then, 192.168.11.102. Enter. Then, yung default gateway na niya. Route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0. Then 192.168.11.194. Enter. Another IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.11. 2023. Mali pala yung, sorry, 202 dapat to. Enter. So, route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.11.194. Okay, then 0.0.0. IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.11.202. Then enter. Nakatapos na tayo sa router 2. Let's proceed na sa router 3. Okay, same process lahat. Dito, no, router, enable, con terminal, then host name, R3, enable, so, default secret, class, internal, IP, domain, let's look up, banner, unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Yan. Banner MOTD pala. Authorized access is strictly prohibited. Enter. Then, line console 0 Password is Aquino. Enter, then login line VTY 04. Then password let Aquino. Login and exit. Exit. So try natin. Exit ulit. Aquino. Google class. Yan. So, term. Proceed na tayo sa pag-configure ng IP address ng mga interface. So, interface. Tama ba? Tama. So, interface. F. Fast Ethernet 0. Then, IP address na router 3. Tawag dito sa router 3, 192.168.0.1, 192.168.0.1, space yung, ay, dito pala, 255.255.252.0. Enter. No shutdown. Then, interface, bus Ethernet 0, 1, IP address. Natin ang IP address 192.168.11.129. 192.168.11.129. Space yung subnet mask 255.255.255.192. 255 dot 255.255.192. 192. Enter. Then no shutdown. Now, sa serial port naman tayo. Serial port 0 ng router 3 is DCE. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng clock. Clock rate. Interface 000. IP address is 192.168.11.197. 192.68.11.197. Okay, then, ay, 5.255.255.252. Enter. Then, gawin tayo ng clock rate kasi DCE siya. So, clock rate 9,600. So, tayo mag no shutdown. So, enter. So, mapapansin nyo, so green na din yung connection niya from router 2 to router 3. Okay. So, proceed na tayo sa interface C001 IP address 192.168.11.202. 192.168.11.202. Space yung 255.255.255.252. Then, no shutdown. Enter. Nakatapos na tayo sa pag-config ng IP address. Proceed na tayo sa IP route. Exit natin yan. Ay, wait. Hindi ako mag-exit. Ah, okay. So, exit. Enter. So, IP route. Ang una natin kukunin is yung dito sa router 1. So, 350 host, 192.168.8.0, 192.168.8.0, space, 350 is PC2, 255, 255, 254.0, 255.255.254.0. Tapos, yung exit route niya is yung serial port 1 ng router 1. So, ito. So, 192.168.11.201. Enter. Then, IP route naman for PC5, 125 host. 192.168.11.0. 192.168.11.0. Then, PC5. 255.255.255.128. 255.255.255.28. Then, exit port 192.168.11.201. Enter. Now, sa router 2 naman, 765 PC1. 192.168.40. IP route 192.168.4.0. Tama ba? 765 PC1. Say 4.0. Okay, so sa PC1, 255.255.252.0 space. Ang kukunin naman nating exit route para dito sa router 3 to router 2 is serial port 0. Router 3 to router 2, serial port 0 ang kukunin. Serial port 0 ng router 2. Okay? So, 192.168.11.193. Enter. Then, uh, route, route, itong PC4, 150 host, 192.168.10.0, 192.168.10.0, space, PC4, 255.255.255.0, 255.0, then 192.168.11.193. So, then yung default gateway ko pala, route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192.168.11.201. So, router 1 to 1. Okay. Enter. Then IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space 192 dot 168 dot 11 dot 193. Okay. Enter. So, tapos na tayo mag-routings. Tapos na tayo sa basic configuration, IP configuration, then routing, IP routing. So, try na natin mag-simulate. So, click itong simulation, show all none. Then, edit filters, check lang tong ICMP. Exit. Then, magsisend tong PC1 sa lahat. PC4. PC1 to PC3. PC1 to PC6. PC1 to PC5. PC1 to PC2. So, PC4 to PC1. PC4 to PC3. PC4 to PC6. PC4 to PC5. PC4 to PC2. Then, PC3 to PC6. PC3 to PC5. PC3 to PC2. PC3 to PC1. PC3 to PC4. Wait, ba't kulang? Wait, ulit-ulit. So, PC1 to PC2. PC1 to PC, PC1 to PC4, PC1 to PC2, PC1 to PC5, PC1 to PC3, PC1 to PC6, then PC4 to PC1, PC4 to PC3, PC4 to PC6, PC4 to PC5, PC4 to PC2, and PC3 to PC6, PC3 to PC5, PC3 to PC2, PC3 to PC1, and PC3 to PC4. Then PC6 to PC3, PC6 to PC5, PC6 to PC2, PC6 to PC1, PC6 to PC4. Yan. Ito, ito. Para makita natin lahat kung tama ba yung ginawa ko. Ito, please. Ito. So, dapat lima-lima sila lahat. Okay? Then, medyo bilisan ko lang. Then, play na yung simulation. So, isa lang successful. Yung mga successful na. Okay? Wait lang matapos. So far, walang nag-failed. Last. So, ayun. So, NC, success lahat dito. Last status, successful lahat. Okay? So, that's it for my, save ko na lang muna. Save ko to as, okay, no? Static. Okay. So, successful lahat ng simulation. So, yun dito. Since nag-send ako sa lahat ng PC to PC para makita kung tama ba lahat ng ginawa. Okay. So, success lahat. Okay, that's it for my demonstration of subnet uh, static routing configuration. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.